times 100, so 13.5. Divided by 137.5 times 100 gives you what? 9.8%. Did you get 9.8? What that means, out of all the calories, 9.8% is from fat. That's not bad, huh? But do the other ones, it's going to get ugly. Then do the Doritos. Take the fat calories, 63. Divide by the total. Looks like 63. Divide by 143. What'd you get for the fat calories for that one? Ooh, that's not good. 44%. Meaning that, geez, almost half the calories are from what? Fat. But it gets worse. Let's take a look at those yummy barbecue potato chips. Take the fat calories, 144. Divided by 244. How about those barbecue potato chips? What percent's from fat? 59%, almost 60% are from fat. So that's how you calculate those out. All right, let's do a little grocery shopping, shall we? Let's do a little grocery shopping. Got your calculator ready? When you're doing some grocery shopping, what you'll do is it'll say the calories from, they'll say fat calories, and then total, and just divide, or do it in your head. Now here I have these Hostess fruit pies. Now, God forbid, if we were going to hit with a nuclear weapon, what would be left? Cockroaches and Hostess fruit pies. Okay, ready to go grocery shopping? Okay. Fat calories, so go 220. Just put it in your calculator. 220 divided by 500. 44% calories from fat. Yummy city. You like these, do you? Okay. All right. You guys like Fritos?
No.
All right, calories from fat. So go 120 divided by 200. What percent of calories from fat for a Dorito? 60. Yummy city. Guys like Girl Scout cookies? All right. Let's see. These aren't too bad. Calories from fat. 60 divided by 150. What'd you get? Yeah. And serving size is 2 cookies. Now, who eats 2 cookies? I don't.
I eat about the whole bag.
Yeah. How about these little frozen pizzas? Small little frozen pizza. Ready? Calories from fat, 330.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Divide by 610. What'd you get on that one? Oh, that's kind of ugly, huh? Ooh,
94.
That's eating garbage.
Oh my God.
Here, let's have some more garbage for breakfast, shall we? You ready? 140 calories from fat. Divide by 230 for our Lay's potato chips. What'd you guys get on that one? What'd you get?
61%. So sad.
Yummy city on those, huh? Bet you guys can't wait to run out and get a bag of these chips. So that's what you do when you go grocery shopping. Just kind of eyeball calories from fat over total calories, make it a fraction. One thing you gotta be careful on is serving size. The other thing you gotta be careful on would be serving size, but also cream soups as well. Usually the cream-based soups like clam chowder, you notice that you get the tall cans and usually 2 servings. So now you gotta double everything. That they'll say servings per can. Or another thing is serving size. Oh, it's low-fat ice cream. The serving size is 1/4 of a cup. Who eats a 1/4 cup of ice cream? Anyone?
Not
So
me.
be careful of serving size. And then just kind of finishing up with a few things. So percentage from fat, kind of keep it low. Now, for figuring out your basal metabolic rate. So calculating out your basal metabolic rate. We're the gentlemen in the class. All right, ladies, I'll get to you guys in a second. All right, ready, gentlemen? All right, so put your weight in your calculator. Put your weight in your calculator. How much you weigh? You ladies don't do nothing yet.
How do you change it?
So divide by 2.2. So put your weight in pounds, divide by 2.2, gentlemen. All right. Then times 24. you'll take your weight, divide by 2.2 times 24, and that would be how many calories you need roughly at, more or less at rest per day. Should come to like maybe 1,400, 1,800. Marcus, what you get? You didn't? Show them what you get.
1745.
Yeah, it's under 1745. So somewhere around there, right? 1745, somewhere around there, 2000-ish. But that does not include your exercise or walking or activity level as well. That's more or less just being a couch potato and being lazy all day. There is another one, I'll bet you any money. If you guys went on the internet and you Googled calculation for basal metabolic rate, you're going to come up with all these different ones. There's one you can Google that actually tells you a whole activity level through the day, how often you walk and you sleep and you eat and just all this stuff. So there's a lot to it. This is just a basic one that I used in my nutrition class years ago. All right, you ladies, ready? Ready, ladies? Okay, so plug your weight in pounds in your calculator. So put how many pounds you weigh, divide by 2.2 equals times 0.9 equals times 24 equals, and what you guys get? Probably around anywhere from like 1,400. It's based on body weight, obviously. Maybe 1,200. That's at rest. How many calories you need a day? So the thing is, to lose weight, what you want to do is you want to increase your basal metabolic rate. It's the best way to lose weight. How do you do that? From weightlifting, weight training, and exercise. One thing, when you're exercising, do you guys go down across the street and check out the gym? Who's never seen that gym across the street? You might see me for once off. But you go to the gym across the street, it's actually very, very nice. And they actually have, I think it might be too late for us right now, but they do have a program where you can get a personal trainer. I think it's $50 for a semester, not per day. Mm-hmm. That goes around and shows you the machine and puts you in an exercise program. But it's just regular people, So you don't have these muscle heads. Right there. Help you with that weight. No, it's just regular people. It's regular people down there. It's really, really nice. Somebody bugs you. It's very, very nice. If you get a chance today, go down and take a look. It's really nice. They did a great job with it. But what I want you to think of now is not so much you going on an elliptical trainer for a half hour. It's the effect of the exercise afterwards, while you're sitting there. Listen to me ramble on. All right, you went on the elliptical for a half hour and did some weight training. Now, for you women with weight training, no, you're not going to get great big muscles. You don't have a lot of this hormone called testosterone. Don't worry about it. You're not going to get big, ugly looking muscles. Look at me. I got big thunder thighs now from lifting weights. No, not going to happen. No. What it does is the exercise causes the muscles to stay partially contracted at rest. So while you're sitting there listening to me ramble on, it's the effect afterwards. You're just cranking out the calories because to keep that muscle partially contracted at rest, you're burning calories. So it's the effect afterwards. If you go on the elliptical trainer or hammer on yourself for a half hour and it says, oh, you burned 200 calories. That's not much. What's the effect afterwards? While you're sleeping, while you're sitting there listening to me ramble on, that muscle's staying contracted at rest. And you're just cranking out the calories. That's how you lose the weight. That's the whole thing with exercise, effect afterwards. But remember, it's diet and exercise. They go together. All right? I don't know, it's like, right. Tom said, go down and use the gym. I'm down using the gym. I can't lose any weight. One thing also, if you start putting on weight but your clothes fit looser, it's working. It's muscle weighs more than fat. So you start putting on muscle mass, you get on the scale, like, I gained like 5 pounds. Well, my pants are loose. Well, that's a good thing. All right, as long as how you feel with it. All right, you understand that? So for shits and giggles, go down there and check out the gym. It's actually really nice. So increase your basal metabolic rate. And then this last page, which don't kill yourself on that last page. That'll touch on this. But you've seen this probably just food pyramid thing. That notice they changed it over the years, but really it's exercise is the base of that. So exercise the base, and then high fiber, low fat diet, and decrease your fat. And now this has changed over the years. This should be like complex